This morning, the Renfrew O.P.P were dispatched to Highway 132 for a multi-vehicle collision between Fergusley Road and Wayland Road, just outside of Renfrew. The incident involved a grey pickup truck and a transport. Constable Janice Sawbridge has more details.
The Renfrew O.P.P responded at approximately 8:40 this morning to a two-vehicle collision on Highway 132 between Wayland Road and Fergusley Road in Admaston, Bromley Township. Paramedics arrived on scene shortly thereafter, and the driver of the pickup truck was deceased at the scene. The driver of the transport truck suffered minor injuries and was transported to local hospital.
The accident is currently under investigation. The male driver was deceased at the scene, and he has been identified as Timothy Cram, age 52, of Admaston, Bromley Township. There is currently no new information from the O.P.P on what might have caused the collision. O.P.P were on site till late Thursday evening trying to piece together the cause.
The coroner has been on the scene, so there's a lot of evidence to gather here for us to determine exactly what caused this collision.
We will update the story with any new developments when the O.P.P releases them. For Coach Go News in Renfrew, I'm Richard Levoy.